Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we've got is this simple and delicious apple muffin recipe. Very simple to make apple muffins, always absolutely delicious. We have everything that we need to make them over here. I'm going to run through all of that, tell you the quantities of it and tell you how much it all costs, and then we're going to put these together. It comes together real quickly. To begin with, we have 140 grams of plain flour, and that's about 7p. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder at 3p. We have half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda at about 1p. We have a pinch of salt, which we can't really cost at all. We have 55 grams of softened or melted butter at 41p. We have 100 grams of sugar at 12p. We have 2 apples at 49p. We have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon at 4p. We have 1 egg at 14p. And we have 40 ml of whole milk at about 3p. If we add that all up, it comes to £1.20, and we're going to get 6 muffins for £1.20, making each muffin 20p each. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to put the butter into this small pan, and I'm just going to put that over a very low heat just to melt it down. And next, into the bowl, we want the flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and we want half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. That's about it there. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of this cinnamon. Cinnamon's optional, but I do like it with apples, so we'll put a little bit of cinnamon in there too. This is a great recipe if you're just learning to bake, you know, just starting out trying some simple recipes. This is a great one to do. Any muffin recipe is great. Very simple, always delicious. For that combined, we're going to add the sugar. Mix all that in. There it is. The wet ingredients, we have 40 ml of milk in the jug, and we have 1 egg. Now, just going to whisk that together. And to that, we have our melted butter, which I'm going to put in there. And we simply add the wet to the dry. Now, I'm just going to bring this together with the spoon, and that should be a fairly stiff, fairly sticky batter this will make. And that's what we want for muffins. That's looking good. Now, the apples. Okay, so what we need to do next is prepare these apples. Now these are Braeburn apples. I do like a Braeburn. You can use any apple you wish. The apple of your choice will work. So I'm just going to prepare these by top and tail them. I'll peel them, and then we'll core them. And I think I'll grate these. So both of them peeled. I'm just going to cut them in half. Yes, Isla, yes, I agree. And I do hope you enjoy these apple muffins, Isla. I think you will. Trying to get all of this stuff out of here. Same with this one. Okay, and with them peeled and cored, we just want to grate them. Okay, and with those all grated, we can now get them into the mix. Okay, and we just want to get them in there and mix them in with our muffin batter. Excellent apple taste, sweet apples in there with that little bit of cinnamon. Going to be spot on. And that is it, simplicity itself. Now let's get them in some cases. Take the cases for these. Again, I've just cut these squares. They're about 6 inches of greaseproof paper, and I'm going to line it up over there and just press that in with a glass, and then we'll pull that together at the bottom. And the first spoonful you get in here will settle them out. So I'll do all of those. This is probably best done with an ice cream scoop, but I cannot for the life of us find mine right now, so I'm just going to spoon some of that in. As I said, to begin with these, just a little spoonful in the bottom will keep the case right, and we'll get all of them started first, and then we'll distribute the rest of it evenly around the tins. Now, as you can hear, the oven in the background is whirring away as ever, and we want a hot oven for these to go into to begin with. I'm going to set the oven at about 220 degrees, and they're going to go in there for about 5 minutes. This will help them to rise. Then I'm going to turn it down to 180 and allow them to bake through. So, having got the first scoop in, I'll now just go around them all and keep adding until we've used up all of this batter. And that is it. That is a very simple recipe. The muffins are going to be delicious, and as I say, these are only 20p each. Right, that's going into the oven at 220 degrees centigrade. The conversions and everything for this are in the description below the video, but it's going in at 220 for about 5 minutes, just until they start to rise. Then we'll knock the oven down and give them a further 15 to 20 at 180 degrees. In they go. Okay, these have been, as I say, they've been in the oven first 5 minutes, about 8 minutes I gave them at 220, and you can see them rise, and when they've gotten nicely risen, knock the temperature down, and they had about 20 minutes at 180, I believe, 170, 180. And if we give them the skewer test, they're coming out nice and clean, a little bit crisp on top, absolutely beautiful. Right, these are going to cool down, and I'm going to taste one. They smell gorgeous, by the way. Okay folks, they've cooled down. Look at this. This is a beautiful apple muffin. I'm serving this, I've dusted it with a little icing sugar. I've got a little splash of double cream on the side of it there. This is going to be delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. They're really moist. Look at this. These are really moist, unctuous muffins. They are going to be absolutely spot on. Let me get a piece of that. A little bit of cream with it. That's marvellous. Just the slightest hint of cinnamon in there with it, and that shredded apple. Fantastic. I could eat a lot of those. Now, I made an error earlier on the pricing of this. These actually worked out at 22p each. 22p for this muffin, and so simple to make. It takes no longer than 10 minutes to put all of this together. Give it a little while in the oven, and you've got 6 delicious, fresh muffins. Great for a little snack during the day, you know, or with afternoon tea or something like that. Marvellous. So there it is, a very simple apple muffin recipe. If you've enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more very simple recipes like this, always very inexpensive, always absolutely delicious, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And in the meantime, I'm going to finish off this muffin. It really won't take long, and I thank you very much for watching. Superb.